Hello everyone, Krystian Wojtarowicz here. In this video, I will show you even more examples of how we can use ChatGPT Image Generator to actually get exceptional results. So for example, this turtle and a watermelon shell. Here we've got Einstein, which is playing video games. Samurai poster, website UI and a lot of more. So stay to the end of this video because again, I've got for you a lot of great ideas. But before we get started, feel free to check out our school community, where we have plus 12 courses about AI. So for example, DeepSeek, about Zapier, about custom GPTs. Also, ChatGPT Image Generation Course, where you get a lot of ideas, how to use this feature to its full potential, and in general, you've got a lot of great knowledge. Notion Masterclass, also here the community. We just launched our community, so we've got 57 members. However, we talk about any topic, and we integrate with others. So it's the only one place you need to master AI faster, better, and easier. So again, I will put the link in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out. But now let me show you some of my amazing ideas I prepared for you. So after this video, you can go ahead and create them, for example, We've got firstly a Tommy Shelby from Peaky Blinders, very serious in the pink kindergarten. So we've got this illustration, which is so ridiculous. It's so nice. It's very unusual and very unique. And now let me show you some of my amazing ideas and creations I prepared for you. So after this video, you can actually take them and create on your own, So you'll have a lot of nice ideas. First of all, we've got Tommy Shelby from Peaky Blinders, very serious in the pink kindergarten. We've got this image, and it's so unusual, unique, and so nice. It's kind of ridiculous. We've got here ABC, we've got flowers, and so nice creation. So again, very unusual and very unique. Then what I did, now he's at an exhibition of modern technology, seems very happy, smiling, pointing on some crazy robot. And again, consistent style. And so nice, We've got this exact artwork. So it's very nice to create very unusual and unique artworks with ChatGPT Image Generator. It's the huge capability of this model. So simply just type the prompt, and afterwards, the imagination is your only limit. Afterwards, we've got this turtle. I'm actually wearing a shell. So here, just look on that. So realistic. And here I typed, create image of a turtle in the wild, wearing a shell made of watermelon. Again, so nice. Afterwards, we've got Einstein, which is playing video games. However, before I created other variations. So first things first, we've got create image of Albert Einstein riding a bicycle in the middle of crowded city, with cabs, buses, and people around him. And behind him is a sideboard of a coffee shop. One of the billboards says, think different. So here we've got, think different, coffee, Albert Einstein, which is riding a bike, and he's smiling, So nice. Afterwards, now make a scene where he's in the restaurant and laughs with the waiter. And again, look on the consistency between this character and this. So very similar, actually the same. And there, the scene is also very realistic. So we've got a coffee shop waiter, and Albert Einstein. Then we've got the samurai. So here, this is the poster. However, afterwards what I did. Alright, however, let's now create this image in very realistic style. Also apply text font to the circumstances. And we've got this image with this nice text. Very realistic, so quick kind of the style change. From poster style, so very cartoon, to this one, which is so realistic and again so nice. However, let's see on the details in the background. So for example, this kind of the tower, these trees are the same on these both illustrations. So only style changed, which is so cool. Then we've got our website UI. So here, create image of a realistic clean website user interface mockup. Shown in full view. Layout includes a top navigation bar with logo, a large hero section with the headline. So there we've got create better ideas faster. Pricing, about support, try it free, watch demo. And there, actually the same text I typed here. So create better ideas faster, 2 buttons, try it free, watch demo. So again, so cool. You can create a lot of different website UI designs. And afterwards, take it as your inspiration. Then we've got some nice examples. So, I've got this castle in the mirror. However, before, I didn't have that. I had some forest, Also here we've got a forest. However, the main point is this castle. However, what I did, First, I created a mirror at the desert that reflects rainy forest. And then I applied, let me actually show you, this tool we've got in the right top corner, which is select. I erased some parts, so here and actually here. And then what I did, I created a castle in the distance that reflects in a mirror, a huge baobab at the desert, a huge mountain in the background. Yeah, so also here, here, and here. And yeah, you can do this stuff. So I did that. And in a while, actually, you've got one image you can post somewhere. And afterwards, you can edit it and then have another image to post again. So have two variations. Then let me show you what I have. This very unusual, modern art, freshly baked bread. And people are staring at it as, an exhibition. So create image of a loaf of bread in an art gallery with people admiring it like a sculpture. Text on screen, modern art, freshly baked. Again, so cool, nice idea. Afterwards, I wanted to create me as a wizard, so I've got it. And create a realistic version, so it's me as a wizard, which is so nice. Then we've got some illustration of a street dancer in shiny armor. And this style I applied was here, let's see. We've got digital art style, so it's not realistic. However, I wanted to create a realistic version and horizontal. And look on the change. Yeah, so we've got it. It's so cool. Then we've got some simple design of a here, and we've got the motivational quote, so motivational post. So create image of a rainy window with a coffee cup on the windowsill, soft and peaceful mood, quote on screen, it's okay to slow down. And look what I did afterwards, I wanted to keep the same style, because imagine, you can apply one style and afterwards you can create other variations with this style, with this text and this font. And I typed, alright, now maintain the same style, form image and text font, and create other scene about something else, provide different image and text. And we've got, look on the style, the same. However, here, book, glasses, instead of this cup, and there the text, be gentle with yourself. So imagine, you can take one style, create the perfect style, and afterwards create social media posts for your, for your profiles. So it's so nice. You can create multiple profiles. You can apply different styles and definitely, get a lot of traffic. Then we've got this template. So here, create image of a grid style post with the title brain dump at the top. Underneath an empty space divided into 4 boxes labeled work, life, ideas, random. And everything I wanted. You can create templates without doing anything, just providing what you want and do it inside ChatGPT. And last but not least, let me show you some thumbnail I created. Also here, I forgot to provide, so upload the thumbnail, the style of the thumbnail I wanted to have. However, the image should include a nice background photo and text in nice eye-catchy style with captivating font about ChatGPT image generation. And I've got this square thumbnail, however, I wanted to make it horizontal. And then, I've got thumbnail. In a matter of minutes, very professional, nicely fitted like text inside, the character, the background, and very visible. So even, can you see from this perspective, because it's a little larger than usual thumbnail, however, the text is very visible, which is very important, and also the character. So even we've got blurry background, which works perfect, for that case. So even you can create nice thumbnails. And for this video, I can say this is pretty everything. Thank you for your attendance. I hope you enjoyed all of the use cases. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Also remember to check out our AI community, where we have plus 12 courses. You can enroll, integrate with others, and learn AI faster, better, and easier. For now, again, thank you for your attendance, and I will see you in the next material, so see you there.